Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to feature short shaven hair transformations. If you guys didn't already know, shaven hair is definitely having a moment right now. So many women are shaving it all off and just wearing these short shaven baldy type of hairstyles. So I think that it's absolutely amazing. Let's check out some of these transformations. So the first one kicks things off and the girl has a pixie haircut and she's pretty much shaving it off. The short blonde shaven look is definitely trending as a whole. Like shaven hair is trending, but short and blonde shaven hair is definitely trending. And this is a look that is transcending among races. You know, everyone is just shaving their hair and dyeing it blonde. So the next clip is of a woman and she is cutting her hair off in the back, the sides, and there you have it. Now her hair looks a little bit more like a short pixie, so she did leave quite a bit of length at the top, but I still love this shaven look. Alright, next up we see someone at the salon and they're shaving their hair. I could imagine that doing something like this would bring forth so much exhilaration and just anxiety and just a rush of feelings and emotions. It would be quite the experience. So the stylist is continuing to give out that shaven style. Absolutely love it. And now here's someone with super long hair. And her hair is very gorgeous. But it's all gone now. She is completely shaved. Alright, so next we see someone cutting off their dreadlocks and she went with a blonde shaven hairstyle. Loving that red lip. And then there we go, another shaven hair transformation. Wow, she had really long hair too. Insane. Absolutely love it. So here we have someone with a pixie, a longer pixie, and they are shaving it all. I think if I were to do something like this, it would have to be done by a professional because I just don't think that I could do it by myself. So here's someone cutting their hair and shaving it. So she does the sides first. And this might have actually made it for like a cute little mohawk style. But of course she keeps going. Wow. Clean shave. Alright, so next we see someone who has a pixie and they're shaving it all. Actually, let's see how short she plans on going because her hair was already quite short. This must be her first time doing it herself because she's like, you can tell by her emotions that she's like getting anxiety about where to cut and how much is being cut off. Oh, she's shaving it all off too. Oh, wow. I love it. I think it looks absolutely amazing. It's like a really short pixie. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.